Public outcry intensifies over planned development of Old Cholera Cemetery in St. Andrew. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Nadine McLeod.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, some PNP MPs indicate who they will support in upcoming leadership race.
More tension between government and opposition, this time over the partnership agreement.
Move on to Bar Councillor elect for Manique Division from being sworn in tomorrow.
Bureau standards in the line of fire following Auditor General report.
And in the business day, the latest fuel prices.
There's also the health report, sports commentary, sports, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you have any concern about the proposed development at the Old Cholera Cemetery in St. Andrew?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.